Okay, so the set timeout function is really helpful because it allows us to delay the execution of a function for a set amount of time. For example, if I had a function here um, called log, and inside I console.log hello world, if I call this function inside of my script tag, it'll run immediately. So if I save this and I come over to my website, you can see hello world loads as soon as the page loads. It's nearly instantaneously on the page. But sometimes it's really helpful to be able to delay execution of a function. So if you want to delay the execution of a function, you can do something. You can use a function called setTimeout. So if I say setTimeout, this function takes in two things. It takes in a function to call after a set time, and it takes the amount of time that you want to time out. That's given in milliseconds. So for example, if I want to call my log function, I'll pass in the log function as the first parameter, and then 3000 milliseconds as the second parameter, and that will give us 3 seconds, and then it will log. So if we come over here and reload, 1, 2, 3, there it is. And so we successfully were able to pause a function from running for a set amount of time.